discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Ford Focus. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback is waiting for you to take home. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Ford paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: delay-off headlights, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.